right, guys. Today we are on a journey up Monkey Mountain. We're gonna try and actually get into the monkeys, see a little wildlife in the area. I'm really actually kind of looking forward to this. But the first stop when you're driving up the mountain on your scooter is Ling Ung Lady Buddha. And then there's a pagoda over there we'll check out too. Person, it's absolutely just massive. I'm not sure how to give you the scale for it, but we're gonna fly the drone around and see if that gives us a better perspective of what it looks like. And then you'll also get a little bit of a look at Danang. Come up here, there is quite the crowd. And this is early in the morning, but it is absolutely astounding, which is why everybody is here. Wow. Definitely a great first stop on your way up the mountain, and just gives you a great sense of feel and excitement for the day. Wow, look at this place. This little spot right here is the pagoda that is associated with the Lady Buddha. And it is a stunning piece of work. It's not the oldest thing in the area, but they did a very wonderful job with it. All right, Mom. I would say that your favorite thing here would probably be the trees if you were to see this area. They are spectacular. They are manicured. They are well taken care of. Take a look at this one over here. Look at how cool these trees are. They're so spectacular and special looking. And I have a feeling they've probably been working on these for quite a while. This has not been a short-term project. I hope you get to enjoy those, Mom, because they are pretty cool. So I flew my drone around this area a little bit, and I think I got some really cool footage. Enjoy this. It should be really great. All right, guys, so bad news. This is the end of the road. You can't go up Monkey Mountain on a bike or by car. You have to walk up. It's too far, it's too hot. I wasn't prepared for it. My host who I was asking about doing this trip didn't tell me I couldn't ride up. So what we're gonna do instead is go and enjoy some of the beaches that are around here because they are pristine and they are beautiful, and we're gonna fly the drone and just enjoy the drone footage, all right? And maybe, if we're lucky, we'll find a monkey. These are the first real monkeys I've seen up close on Monkey Mountain. Look at these little rascals. At least I saw a couple of monkeys. I wasn't really sure I was going to get to, so that was nice. Hello, guys. Oh, look at you on the sign. Somebody brought out the food. Now they're really gonna go crazy. Oh, me monkey. Monkey's like, no, it's mine. How dare you? This guy gave him some treats and had a good little stare off with them. Along the road, there's not very many spots to get anything, but these guys post up right here selling a few beverages out of their carts. Hello, Cynthia. Do you have water, a bottle of water?
Water?
Yeah. And then could I also do a coconut? Yes, nice. All right, I got a cold coconut, drinking of water. It was really nice. And then let's go over here and take a look at the view. Woo. Nice. This part of the coastline is completely completely empty. Aside from a few people up there taking care of the little shrine, this beach, there's practically nobody here. Imagine that. Today was a pretty interesting day. I started in Hoi An with a scooter, came past Danang to what's called Son Tra Peninsula, or Monkey Mountain, as everybody says, thinking that, hey, I could take my scooter and drive to the top and see all these monkeys, and it'd be great. Fortunately, the road is closed because it's very steep, and I guess a lot of tourists in the past have had accidents. So what we did instead was just spend some time over at the giant Lady Buddha. It was very pretty, saw some monkeys along the road, and flew my drone around for a while, and it turned into a really great day. So thanks for watching, and family, I love you guys, and this was another fun little adventure.